How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We've got Russell Seals here, and he brought in a gem of a 69. Russell, this thing is beautiful. Why don't you walk us through here and tell us what you've done to this car, what it was like when you got it. What kind of car do we have here? What are we looking at?
Well, I've owned the car for 41 years. I think I bought it in '84. I gave $1,000 for the car back then. So,
Holy cow.
It was kind of rough shape, but I've been through the car and completely. It is a original 396 4-speed car. I put a 69 396 back in it. It's not the original block, but it is a 69. It is original transmission. Everything on the car besides the engine is original. And I kept the car. I bought original restoration parts, a whole lot of GM parts, a whole lot of stuff from Camaro Central. I tried to keep the car as original to its roots as I possibly could.
That's awesome. That's awesome. So, have you done any paint jobs to it, or is this kind of the original paint?
I did paint the car. It's been painted about 3 months. I painted all myself.
You painted all this yourself?
I done everything except the headliner.
Man.
My dad was he's been a mechanic his whole life, and he got a bunch of old hot rods, and he's, of course, encouraged me.
What do we have, the 69 Deluxe interior, or that's standard?
Standard,
yeah.
Ivory interior. The seats are, believe it or not, probably about 88, 89. I bought new door panels here back in the spring off you guys. Put a new headliner in it. I try to keep it all original. That's the way I like them.
Oh, it's beautiful. This is an awesome car, Russell, and we thank you very much for bringing it in.